Now that summer has arrived, our pets are spending more time outdoors, which can put them at risk for fleas and other harmful parasites. The good news is that pet owners can prevent these problems before they start. Your pet's health is the focus of today's Angie's List report.
On the heartworm, each of them get a pill. And on the flea and tick, we put it back here on their shoulder blades.
Joe Kaiser says he knows firsthand the importance of protecting his 2 dogs each month.
Being a volunteer at the Humane Society, I see too many animals with heartworm coming in with fleas and ticks. And I see this and I feel so sorry for them because they're suffering.
Especially during these summer months, preventative care for your pets is really important when it comes to parasites because it's very easy for them to pick up fleas, for example, and the treatment is much more expensive than the preventative maintenance is.
There are 3 common parasites pet owners should be aware of. Fleas are the most common.
It takes about 3 months for a flea egg to develop into a flea adult. So the adults that you're seeing on your pet today are laying eggs that aren't going to hatch for another 3 months.
Fleas can jump up to 2 feet in the air, which makes your 4-legged friend's fur their personal breeding ground.
They can make pets who are allergic to fleas very sick as far as their skin is concerned, and flea allergy dermatitis is one of our most common presenting signs in the spring and summer.
And heads up to indoor cat owners, even if your feline friend never takes a single step outdoors, humans can easily track fleas in from the outdoors.
The important thing to also keep in mind when it comes to pets and parasites is that they don't just impact your pet. For example, I recently heard from a woman that had an indoor cat, and the cat got out one day, came back with fleas. Not only did she have to treat the pet, but she also had to try to rid her home of fleas as well, which is not an easy task.
Heartworms are spread by mosquitoes.
A mosquito will suck blood out of an infected dog or cat, fly over to the neighbor's house, and then take a second blood meal off of that dog or cat and inject the worms into that pet.
Preventing heartworm disease is much easier than treating it. A monthly chewable can help protect your pet from heartworms, but you'll need to obtain a prescription from your vet. Another parasite your pet can pick up from the outdoors is ticks. Vets suggest checking your dog regularly for ticks since they can transmit Lyme disease.
Most of our ticks we find from dogs that aren't necessarily hiking out in wooded areas but are just in their backyard.
There are several effective products on the market today that protect against all 3 of these parasites. To ensure your pet's protection, experts suggest not skipping a dose. Talk to your veterinarian about the best prevention for you and your pet. I'm Noah Began for News 46.